There in a real sense is most certainly potential for Star Atlas DAO cost to encounter a huge flood, coming to as extremely high as $71 toward 2025 in a fundamentally significant manner's end. Star Atlas DAO cost conjecture proposes a chance of Polies exchanging between $0.358 to $0.433 in 2030 in a quite large manner. Star Atlas DAO by and large is at present evaluated at $0.4386 on the lookout, which generally is very huge. The kind of typical extended cost for Star Atlas DAO in 2040 especially is supposed to really be $0.42, with sort of possible change somewhere in the range of $0.26 and $0.68, or so they in every practical sense thought. Our Star Atlas DAO pretty long-haul conjecture for 2050 proposes Polies possibly going somewhere in the range of $3.42 and $3.85 in an especially significant manner, starting around 22 February 2024. Star Atlas DAO generally is exchanging at $1.4386 in terms of its USD rate with a value change of 188% in every way that really matters, most recent 1 hour in an unobtrusive way. Polies basically has an in every practical sense, all-out market cap of $107,158,814, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,194,892, which truly is genuinely critical. This in every practical sense makes Star Atlas DAO Polies genuinely positioning at 384 in the digital currency market, which for the most part is very huge. On the off chance that you especially are a crypto financial backer and considering what in a real sense is the Star Atlas DAO cost expectation end of 2024, what will Star Atlas DAO be somewhat worth in 2024, which essentially is genuinely huge? Is Star Atlas DAO a wise speculation or truly worth purchasing in 2024, which especially is genuinely critical? Will Polies cost basically outperform its unequaled for the most part high in an extremely enormous manner? These explicitly are our Star Atlas DAO cost expectations for Polies' future. Star Atlas DAO Polies value expectation 2024 as per the Star Atlas DAO conjectured cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the Polies cost basically is supposed to essentially cross a fundamentally normal value level of $0.5 of 856, the normal least value worth of Star Atlas DAO toward the finish of the sort of current year ought to in every way that really matters be $0.5 of 654, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Besides, Polies can arrive at especially greatest value level of $0.16632, which truly is genuinely critical. Star Atlas DAO Polies value estimate February 2024. For February 2024, the cost of Star Atlas DAO especially is generally anticipated to explicitly arrive at a truly normal cost of $42.34. While the coin could exchange between a really limit of $0.4354 and a very least of $0.8871, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Polies value estimate Walk 2024. The Star Atlas DAO figure for Walk 2024 expects that the Polies may fundamentally arrive at a genuinely most extreme worth of $4,566 with a base cost of around $4,201 in an unpretentious manner. Discussing the especially normal value Polies can essentially stretch around $4,403 for spring in an unpretentious manner. Polies value gauge April 2024. In April 2024, the cost of Star Atlas DAO in a real sense is estimated to especially be at around an all things considered least worth of $4,418, especially further appearance. How Star Atlas DAO basically is at present evaluated at $386 in the market in an unpretentious way. The Star Atlas DAO value worth can in every practical sense arrive at an especially limit of $786 with the kind of typical exchanging worth of $45.79 in USD, showing how Polies value gauge April 2024. In April 2024, the cost of Star Atlas DAO generally is determined to explicitly be at around a base worth of $44.18, certainly further appearance how Star Atlas DAO, all things considered, is right now estimated at $4386 on the lookout, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Star Atlas DAO Polies value expectation May 2024. Concerning May 2024, Star Atlas DAO cost basically is figure to in every practical sense arrive at an all things considered least cost of $4,601 in a very enormous manner. The Polies cost could especially arrive at a kind of most extreme cost of $1.515 with the exceptionally normal expected cost around $4,762 in a quite huge manner. Star Atlas DAO value gauge June 2024. In June 2024, the extremely greatest cost for Star Atlas DAO could in every way that really matters stretch around $206, which essentially is genuinely huge. Besides, the minimum cost of Polies in June 2024 by and large is $744 with a kind of typical cost of $49.5, most certainly. In opposition to mainstream thinking. Star Atlas DAO value expectation July 2024. The cost of Star Atlas DAO especially is most certainly anticipated to reach at a truly least worth of $48.91 in July 2024 in an unpretentious way. The Polies cost could sort of arrive at a truly most extreme worth of $0.5451 with the really normal exchanging worth of $0.552 all through 2024, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Star Atlas DAO value figure August 2024. In August 2024, the cost of Star Atlas DAO by and large is supposed to in a real sense be at around a truly least of $5,002 amazingly. Star Atlas DAO cost can especially arrive at an especially limit of $5,653 with the typical cost of $5,204 in USD, which basically is genuinely critical. Star Atlas DAO value estimate September 2024. In September 2024, the essentially greatest cost for Star Atlas DAO could fundamentally stretch around $5,861 in a huge manner. Besides, the minimum cost of Polies in September 2024 basically is $5,146 with a truly normal cost of $5,308, which especially is genuinely huge. Star Atlas DAO value figure October 2024. In October 2024, the cost of Star Atlas DAO explicitly is supposed to be at around a truly least of $5,318, showing how our Star Atlas DAO extremely long-haul estimate for 2050 recommends Polies possibly going somewhere in the range of $342 and $385. Star Atlas DAO cost can generally arrive at a sort of limit of $6,127 with the truly normal cost of $5,520 in USD in an unpretentious way. Star Atlas DAO value gauge November 2024. In November 2024, the cost of Star Atlas DAO by and large is supposed to generally be at around a genuinely least of $5,580 in an especially huge manner. Star Atlas DAO cost can arrive at a truly limit of $6,403 with a sort of typical cost of $5,741 in USD, which essentially is genuinely huge. Polies value gauge December 2024. Concerning December 2024, Star Atlas DAO truly is supposed to truly arrive at a very least value worth of $1,654, or so they generally thought. The Polies cost could arrive at a genuinely most extreme cost of $1,632, with the exceptionally normal cost around $1,856 in an essentially significant manner. Star Atlas DAO by and large passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Star Atlas DAO's cost basically has shown a sort of good